Hey guys, my name's Chris. I'm just another review guy, and the question today is bigger better? Some may agree to disagree, but we shall see. Stay tuned because we have a couple good comparisons coming up in this video. Alright guys, so for our first test, we're going to be using the foam gun with the 2.3 GPM gas-powered pressure washer. We'll spray half the car, then we'll switch over to the Ryobi electric pressure washer. We'll spray the other half. Suds are gonna run down, but we can at least try to get a good comparison of how much foam each one makes. So let's get on with it. Alright guys, as you can see in that particular test with the gas-powered pressure washer running at 2.3 GPMs, they put on some nice shaving cream foam. The soap, you can actually smell it. It smells like bubble gum. Actually smells pretty good. So while this foam's down, it's going to probably be gone before I set the next thing up. I'm going to set up the Ryobi electric pressure washer, and we'll run it with that and we'll see what it does. The settings on the gun will be exactly the same amount of soap and everything. So let's do it. Hey guys, now we're going to be running the Ryobi 1.2 GPM 1600 PSI pressure washer on this test. Let's see what happens. Well guys, I guess that answers the question. Is bigger better? Well, yes it is. Bigger is better. And the more GPM you have for your foam cannon, the thicker foam you're gonna get, plain and simple. As you can see, the 2.3 GPM put some thick shaving cream foam on the car. The 1.2 GPM electric put milky soap on the car. Now, you can't even smell the bubblegum scent with the 1.2 GPM. So that's it. You can see bigger is better. Your question is answered. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. As always, subscribe, hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down depending on how you felt. And if you would like to buy some of the product, there will be Amazon links down in the description, which are affiliate links, so I'll make a couple bucks if you guys buy some stuff. And as always, I appreciate the support, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.